Okay, here I am. Second time gonna work on this goddamn dryer. As you guys saw in my last video, it went well. It really did. I had it running. I changed out the igniter and the thermal fuse after a trip to town for the thermal fuse, lousy $10 part. Thought for sure it would have been the $40 part. It's more important. Anyways, changed that stuff out. It worked for one day and then it stopped working again. But let me show you real quick what happened that day, just little pieces, and then we'll get back to this one. Ordered this part, which I know that's the problem. This is what starts the flame to make the heat in the dryer. Completely apart, because that's what I do. What are you looking at? That's what I do. I'm a pro at what I do. I'm a resort owner, and I'm good at this stuff. What are you looking at?
Just sitting here waiting for the show to start.
Anyways, I'm gonna flip this, keep it out of our way. Off we go. But this side needs to stay up. Be right back. Son of a bitch. Why am I wearing this fucking shirt? It's so goddamn hot in here. It thinks I can't get it out of here. Ouch! I cut myself. So goddamn cold in here. I'm freezing again.
How's it going?
God damn it. Oh my god. My fucking head. Oh. Oh no! Okay, so you see kind of a little bit of what I did the first time that I worked on this goddamn thing. Hopefully today will go a little bit easier. I looked up Bixby. I had a little argument with him for a while. I had to get my meter, and they want me to take the back off of this thing, and supposedly there's a couple of little thingies, high and low limit switches. That's what they're called. But anyways, I'm supposed to use this and check the continuosity of the continuity. Hi, baby.
It's continuity.
It's consistency.
Continuity.
Continuity.
Annuity.
Constantinople. Continuity. Constipation?
Constipation?
Continuity?
Continuity.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, but she says I'm almost done with them now.
It's continuity, John.
Continuity.
Continuity? Okay, so whatever they said. I gotta check it. Anyways, turns out my meter doesn't have that option. So I had to drive back to town. An hour later, I'm back with this. Another $45 frickin' piece of shit wrapped up in this plastic that I love so much. So we'll get to that. Get it out of this son of a gun. Get this sucking back off of this. Anyways, I'll get right back to you. Mother. Am I the only one that can't say that goddamn word? Constitute. Fucking mother. Scissors. Knife. Son of a mother. This fucking plastic, baby. Why do you put this shit in this crap? Oh! Oh! Alright. I got this son of a bitch out of this fucking plastic. But now, to get these... Ouch! Oh, God, I'm bleeding. I gotta put these... But I need a screwdriver small enough to fit there. Why do they do that? Wrong one! Okay, I got the top off, but I can't see how these batteries go in. Positive. Light. What the? I don't get it. Oh, haha. Okay. We got it. And my fingers are killing me, you guys. And it's working. Numbers are going. Let's get to this repair. Okay, I finally got my continue nudity meter going. And what I need to do is, what we do is we pull these wires off of these here. And what we do is we check the continuicity between the two. If this beeps, that means it's good. So we'll get going with that. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this wire off. That one don't want to come off. Pull that one off. I think it'll be fine if I only take one off each side. Little bit nervous. Little bit nervous. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. My eyes are burning. I feel like somebody threw a goddamn bucket of sand in my eyes. Evidently, I forgot one thing. I needed to unplug the dryer before I tested that. Okay, so my meter is no longer a meter. It's completely melted. So I can't really test any more things on this dryer. So what I did was I went back to town and I bought all the parts I was supposed to check with my meter. I'm not going to mess around here anymore, you guys. Here's the test. Nothing's going right. Sorry about that. Anyways, here's the test, guys. High, on. All we need is a little bit of heat. And we know we were a success. It's not working. got Trish here. I want to explain to her what's going on. I changed all the parts out. It still didn't work. So I traded the dryer out with the one out of the cabin.
What the hell happened to your hands?
Don't even think about that right now. I'll tell you about it later. Anyways, I traded the dryer out from the loft. We'll buy a new one. I already ordered it, but I got Richard from cleaning the chicken coop to come over here. We traded it out, and it should work fine now. Fuck all those parts. By the time I bought all the parts and the meter, we were better off to buy a new dryer. I don't know why you let me do this in the first place. Anyway. What the fuck, baby? It's still not working.
It's cold.
Go check the stove and see if it lights.
We have to have propane.
This better not be what I think
It doesn't light.
it is. Mother